Hey there, fellow car enthusiasts. Are you aching for some American muscle power but working with a tight budget? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of muscle cars that won't drain your bank account. If you're a car guy or gal looking for your first taste of raw power, stick around as we count down the top 5 muscle cars you can snag for under $10,000. Let's get that engine revving. 1994-2004 Ford Mustang. Kicking off our list is an icon, the 1994-2004 Ford Mustang. With its timeless design and a range of engine options, this generation of Mustang has something for everyone. Whether it's the V6, the GT with a potent V8, or even the Cobra with some serious bite, the Mustang offers the true muscle car experience without breaking the bank. In 2006-2010 Dodge Charger. Up next, we have a modern classic, the 2006-2010 Dodge Charger. This sedan offers aggressive styling and, in some trims, a powerful Hemi V8 engine. It's the perfect blend of family car practicality and muscle car attitude, making it an ideal choice for those seeking a bit of both worlds. 2008-2009 Pontiac G8. Moving on, we've got a gem that might surprise you, the 2008-2009 Pontiac G8. This sedan delivers a punch with its V8 engine options, offering both power and handling that'll put a smile on your face. The G8's sleek styling and sporty character make it an underrated choice for muscle car enthusiasts on a budget. 2005-2009 Chevrolet Impala SS. Sticking with sedans, we've got the 2005-2009 Chevrolet Impala SS. Don't let its unassuming appearance fool you. This car is packing a 5.3-liter V8 engine that delivers surprising power. The Impala SS offers a comfortable and roomy ride with a side of muscle car attitude. 1995-2000 Pontiac Firebird. Last but definitely not least, we're taking it a bit further back in time with the 1995-2000 Pontiac Firebird. With its classic styling and available V8 engines, this Firebird is a true throwback to the golden era of American muscle. It's all about embracing the heritage and experiencing the thrill of a bygone era. There you have it, our top 5 picks for affordable muscle cars under $10,000 that are perfect for car enthusiast first cars. From the iconic Mustang to the unexpected Pontiac G8, these rides will have you feeling the power without draining your wallet. Remember, while these cars might be budget-friendly, they still require proper care and maintenance to keep them roaring down the road. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep those engines roaring and that passion for muscle cars alive and well.